How to earn money on WhatsApp. Part 1. Earning money on WhatsApp simply means generating income from it on daily basis. So this is how to earn money on WhatsApp. 1. Visibility. To be seen. You are seen or your product is seen. People need to know you enough. People need to have it in their subconscious mind that this person is selling this thing. Right now, if you want to buy any course on WhatsApp, who do you have in mind? Why? The reason is because this person has been making his or herself known to you. Each time you check on WhatsApp status, you see him post, you see her post. This person has a WhatsApp group where he or she discusses this sort of thing that he or she does. So each time you want something like that, that comes to your mind. When you place your product or service or yourself on the face of people for long, each time they think about such thing that you deal in, they will remember you. And one thing about visibility here is you can't be showing the same product or service to the same people every time. Your brothers, your sisters, your parents, your cousins, your nieces, your friends, your relatives, and your neighbors, they already know what you do. Now, the problem is the thing you sell on WhatsApp, they are still the only people viewing it. So, if you want to make sales on WhatsApp, you have to get seen. You need visibility. You need to be seen to be patronized. You need to be seen for people to have this idea that this is my go-to for anything graphic design. This guy is my go-to for anything video editing. This guy is my go-to for anything SEO optimization and all whatnot. Build your audience, quality audience, get audience in your niche. Now, the detailed explanation of how you can actually get audience from any part of the world you want, even for free, is embedded in my WhatsApp monetization course. Yeah, this course has helped a lot of people, young people, earn millions of naira within 2 months, within 1 month, within 3 months, depending on the practical strength of the individual. Number 2, give values for free. There are so many people in your contact list that already know what you do, but they also know someone else that does the same thing, that has taught them things, so they prefer to buy from that person. These days, there are lots of competition in what different people do. So why should I give you the money instead of your colleague that does the same thing? You offer values for free. For example, if you want job on graphic design, you can start teaching each time on your WhatsApp status. Apart from showing the beautiful work you do, you can go ahead and analyze the need for a graphic designer in a business, why the business should be branded. And each time you keep sharing values. Whenever this person thinks about, I want to design a flyer, you be the person to get the call. Offer values for free if you want to earn money online. The knowledge is already embedded in you. Teach a part of it for free. It will not kill you. Now, in summary, when you have shown these people what you do for a long period of time consistently, and now they have been following you and have trusted this person, and now while you are doing this, you are offering them values for free, they have a kind of connection with you. Buying won't be your problem. Part 2 of this video will be out soon, so if you want it, hit the thumbs up, click subscribe right now, and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, do it right now.